Dear students, good morning to all of you. And dear students, today, as you know, that we are going to learn something more about getting to know plants. As you have visited many places, as you have gone numbers of places, and you have seen many more plants around us, you have seen that all the plants are differ in their own variety. Such like you see nearby we are having numbers of plants in our compound in the school Vision Childcare Palana. See, you can see the different plants over here. See this plant, the leaves are differ, the color of the leaves are differ. Secondly, you can see this plant, it is called climber, which has very smooth stem and it has no branch at all. But here you can see few flowers also, the flowers and the beads. See the birds and the flowers, the color of the flowers are differ, the color of the birds are differ. Here we can see the white flowers, the smell and the fragrance of the flowers are differ. Each and every plant has different leaves and the shape is differ. See, the leaf of this plant is quite narrow and quite, we can say, the round shape. But here if you go, many more plants are here. If you go, the color of this plant is white and greenish. So, and the flower is also differ. See the shape of the flower, both the flowers are differ from each other. That means we are having numbers of plants and large variety of the plants around us. But now today in this chapter we are going to learn that how we can identify, how can we bifurcate such plants in three categories: herbs, shrubs and trees. So that is what the important thing. Observe all this. See the beautiful flowers, see the color of the flower, how beautiful are they. That means we are having numbers of variety. And here we are having pomegranate plant. The pomegranate plant, the newly born pomegranate is already on the plant, and within couple of days or couple of weeks it will be beautifully grown up and we can have it in our salad. So you can see all these variety of plants and herbs and shrubs in our premises in the Vision Childcare Palana. So today we are going to learn practically how the plants are differ from each other. Now dear students, let's see and let's gather the more information regarding three categories of plants. Now there are three categories of plants: herbs, shrubs and trees. All these three categories are classified into three categories. Do you know why? Because due to their height, due to their tender, due to their thickness, due to their hardness, and due to their different bases of stem, higher stems, low stem, these things classified the category of plants. So let's learn it practically with the help of our three little kids of Vision Childcare Palana, Miss Queena, Miss Archie and Master Veer. Now see, this is a small plant. Maybe you know that it's a tandarjo. We use it in our cooking items. So the height of this plant is, Miss Archie, tell me the height of this plant. इसकी हाइट कितनी है? चेक करो तो नीचे स्केल पे चेक करो कितनी हाइट है, कितनी हाइट हुई ये?
22.
हाँ 22 क्या है? इंचीस है, सेंटीमीटर है, क्या है? ओके 22 इंच. मिस क्वीना जस्ट जोट इट डाउन. 22 inches. 22 inches. Now is it green? Miss Archie, is it green? Then say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now Miss Queena just jot it down there. It's green. Is it the tender of this plant? Is it tender? Is it smooth? Is it we can easily bend it? Yes, yeah, no?
Yes.
Yes. Then tender? Yes. Then is it hard? Is it hard? Just touch it and tell me, is it hard? The stem of this plant is hard? Yes, yeah, no? Is it hard? Now let's see the another plant. This is a newly born plant. We can take a height of it. Miss Archie will tell us the height of this plant. How many inches?
11 inches.
11 inches. Miss Queena just jotted down 11 inches. Very good. And Miss Archie, is it short or tall?
Short.
Short. Okay. Miss Queena just jot down short. Is it green?
No.
It's not green. Tender? Is it smooth? The stem of the plant is smooth?
Yes.
Yes. Is it thick?
No.
No. Is it hard?
No.
No. Very good. Now we'll take another plant and we will observe the height of this plant, the tender, thickness, hardness, everything. So Master Veer will take height of this plant. You can take it. This plant is higher than Master Veer. Huh? This plant is higher than Master Veer. The plant is called Champa. Very good. The height of the plant is more than Master Veer. Now Miss Archie will come here for few more questions. Just observe the plant, beta, and tell me, is it short?
No.
No, it's not short. And Miss Queena just jot it down. Okay. Is it green?
Yes.
Okay, jot it down. It's green. The tender?
No.
Oh, very good. Jot it down. Is it thick?
Little bit.
It's a little bit thick. That means no. Is it hard?
Yes.
Yes, it's a hard. So jot it down hard. Very good. So we have seen two plants. First one was very small in height. It has tender. It has different color. We have seen another one, and now last and final one. Now we can see the same plant like before. It's a pomegranate plant, and we will take everything, the categories, and all the questions will be same. The height. Now dear students, see this picture. It's a picture of lemon tree. This neem tree, the neem tree stem is so thick, so hard. Secondly, it has many branches. And thirdly, the height of this plant is so high. That means this plant is come in the category of trees, because the stem of this tree is so hard, so thick, it has many branches. The color of this tree is green, and it is taller than our school buildings. That means it is in the category of trees. Now see the few more trees. This is Asoka tree. It has less branches than neem tree, but it is taller than other trees. Secondly, we can see the banyan tree behind it. It has many branches. It is tall, wide, thick stem. So these are the things we can bifurcate, or we can come to know the trees are having.